And here's where Photoshop has fewer options than Illustrator. And that's not necessarily such a bad thing because there's no toolbar and basic and advanced and other options. They're just the tools. And you should know that the toolbar, even though it says tools here, is this vertical element that contains these different tools. And anytime you see this little corner here, that means that there are other options sitting there for you. And now you might be thinking, hey, these are just like, they're nothing like illustrators. Yeah, they do the same kind of thing, but they do it in a very different way because Photoshop is a raster tool and Illustrator is a vector tool. And yes, Illustrator can handle raster images and Photoshop can handle vectors. You know, it's that going back to eating your soup with a fork. You know, yeah, you can do it, but why? If it's mostly broth, wouldn't a different tool work better? So, our toolbar sitting right here along the left edge inside the application frame, you may have noticed, because we can't see anything else other than Photoshop. And I didn't say anything, but if for some reason your version of Photoshop is opened up like this, you know, no, hide the dock. Come on, man, get with the program. No dock. And unlike our browsers, which I wish they would do the same thing, when you click that green button, it goes full screen and respects the menu. Doesn't try to subsume that space. So we can work smart. Nothing for you to do here other than be aware. You may poke around. Say, hey, what's that? What's that do? What's that do? What does that say? Change screen mode. See this up here? Oh, where'd it go? Where'd everything go? We'll get to that. Those are screen modes, and there are reasons to use all three of them at different times. But like I said, we'll get to that.